Configure a data source. URL attribute is not specified, and no embedded data source could be configured. Thought for a couple of seconds. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content 4. Configure a data source. URL attribute is not specified, and no embedded data source could be configured. Spring Boot Error Explained Introduction. When working with a database in a Spring Boot application, the application needs enough information to create a data source. A data source is the object Spring uses to connect to a database. If Spring Boot cannot figure out which database to use, it may show this error. Failed to configure a data source. URL attribute is not specified and no embedded data source could be configured. This is a very common error for beginners and intermediate developers. It usually happens when database configuration is missing, data source properties are incomplete, the database dependency is present, but no connection details are given. Spring Boot expects a database, but cannot create one. Understanding this error helps learners understand how Spring Boot database auto-configuration works, how to configure a data source correctly, how embedded and external databases differ, how to fix startup configuration issues. What does this error mean? This error means Spring Boot tried to create a database connection, but it could not. In simple terms, Spring Boot needs database connection details, but they were not provided. Example concept. Spring Boot starts, looks for database config. No valid data source found. Application fails. Why Spring Boot tries to configure a data source? Spring Boot has auto-configuration. This means if it sees database-related dependencies such as Spring, Data, JPA, JDBC, Starter, Hibernate-related setup, it assumes your application needs a database connection. Example concept. Database dependency found means Spring tries to configure data source, main meaning of the error message. Let us break the message into parts. URL attribute is not specified. This means Spring Boot expected a data source URL, such as springdatasource.url equals jdbc.mysql localhost 3306 mydb, but it could not find one. No embedded data source could be configured. Spring Boot also checked whether it could automatically use an embedded database, such as H2, HSQLDB, Derby, but none of them were available. So, no external DB config, no embedded DB dependency. Result, no URL plus no embedded DB equals startup failure. This error usually happens for one of these reasons. 1. Missing spring.datasource.url. You added JPA or JDBC dependency, but did not configure the database connection. Example of incomplete config. Spring.datasource.username equals root, spring.datasource.password equals secret. This is not enough. You also need spring.datasource.url equals JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 mydb. 2. Database dependency exists, but no database config exists. For example, if your project has Spring Boot Starter Data JPA, then Spring Boot assumes a database should exist. If no data source details are provided, startup fails. Example concept. JPA present means DB expected, means config missing 3. Embedded database dependency is missing. If you wanted to use an embedded database like H2, but forgot to add the dependency, Spring Boot cannot create one automatically. Example concept. Wanted in-memory DB means dependency missing, means no data source created for. Wrong profile is active. Sometimes, data source configuration exists in application dev.properties, application local.properties, but the correct profile is not active. So, Spring Boot starts without seeing the data source settings. Example concept. Config exists in another profile means active profile wrong, means data source not found. 5. A typo like this. spring.datasource.url equals jdbc mysql localhost 3306 mydb instead of Spring DataSource.url equals JDBC microscale localhost 3306 MyDB will cause Spring Boot to ignore the property. Example concept. Wrong property name means config ignored 6. You do not actually need a database. Sometimes a project includes JPA JDBC dependency by mistake, even though the application does not use a database. Spring Boot still tries to configure one. Example concept. Unused DB dependency means unnecessary data source error. Basic fix. Configure external database properly. If you are using MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, or another external database, provide full data source configuration. Example for MySQL, Spring DataSource.url equals JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 MyDB. Spring DataSource.username root. Spring DataSource.password equals secret. Spring DataSource.driver class name com.mysql.cj.jdbc driver. Spring jpa.hibernate.ddl auto equals update. Spring jpa.showSQL true. Example for PostgreSQL. Spring DataSource.url equals JDBC PostgreSQL localhost 4532 MyDB. Spring DataSource.username equals Postgres. Spring DataSource.password equals secret. Spring DataSource.driver class name org.postgresql.driver. Spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl auto equals update. Spring.jpa.showSQL equals true. The URL tells Spring Boot which database type is used, where the database server is, which database name to connect to. Example concept. URL equals database address for Spring Boot. Without it, Spring does not know where to connect. Fix for embedded database H2 example. If you want a simple in-memory database for testing or development, use H2. Add H2 dependency. For Maven. Dependency. Group ID, com H2 database, group ID. Artifact ID, H2, artifact ID. Scope, runtime scope. Dependency. Add configuration, Spring DataSource.url equals JDBC H2 testdb. Spring DataSource.driver class name equals org.h2driver. Spring DataSource.username equals SA. Spring H2 console.enabled is true. Spring.jpa.database platform equals org.hibernate dialect, H2 dialect. Now, Spring Boot can create an embedded data source successfully. If you do not need a database. If your application does not use a database, remove the dependency that triggers data source auto-configuration. For example, remove Spring Boot Starter Data JPA, Spring Boot Starter JDBC, if they are not needed. Example concept. No DB usage means remove DB starter, means no data source error. Alternative fix, exclude data source auto-configuration. If you temporarily want Spring Boot not to configure a data source, you can exclude it. Import org, Spring Framework boot, Spring application. Import org, Spring Framework boot, auto-configure, Spring Boot application. Import org, Spring Framework boot, auto-configure, JDBC, data source auto-configuration. Spring Boot application. Excluded to data source auto-configuration.class. Public class myApplication. Public static void main, string args, Spring application.run, myApplication.class. This tells Spring Boot. Do not auto-configure data source. Example concept. Exclude data source auto-config means app starts without DB. When to use exclusion. Use exclusion only when the app truly does not need a database data source, will be configured manually later. You are isolating parts of the application. Do not use exclusion just to hide a real configuration problem. Example of complete, correct setup. Suppose you are using MySQL with Spring Data JPA. Maven dependencies. Dependency. Group ID, org.springframework.boot. Group ID, artifact ID, Spring Boot Starter Data JPA. Artifact ID. Dependency. Group ID, com.mysql. Artifact ID, MySQL Connector J, Artifact ID, Scope, Runtime, Scope, Dependency. Application.properties, Spring Data Source URL, JDBC, MySQL, localhost 3306, studentDB. Spring Data Source username, root. Spring Data Source.password, secret. Spring.datasource.driver class name equals com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. Spring.jpa hibernate DDL auto equals update. Spring.jpa.showSQL equals true. Spring.jpa.properties.hibernate.format SQL equals true. This is enough for Spring Boot to configure the data source. How Spring Boot thinks internally. At startup, Spring Boot roughly does this. See JPA, JDBC, dependency. Try to create data source. Check data source URL and driver. If missing, check for embedded database. If none found, throw error. This is why the error appears. Application.properties versus application.yml. You can configure data source in either format. Application.properties Spring Data Source URL equals JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 MyDB. Spring Data Source username, root. Spring Data Source password, secret. Application.yml Spring Data Source URL, JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 MyDB. Both are valid. Profile-based configuration example. If you use profiles, make sure the correct profile is active. Application dev.properties. Spring Data Source URL equals JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 devdb. Spring Data Source username equals root. Spring Data Source password equals secret. Activate profile. Spring profiles active equals dev. If dev profile is not active, Spring Boot will not use those data source values. Real-world example of the error. Suppose your project includes Spring Web Spring Data JPA, but application.properties contains only server.port equals 8081. At startup, Spring sees JPA expects a data source, finds no data source URL, finds no H2 HSQL Derby, throws the data source error. Example concept. JPA dependency plus no DB config equals data source startup failure. Common mistakes. Forgetting the database driver dependency. Example. Using MySQL URL, but missing MySQL connector dependency. Using wrong JDBC URL format. Spring DataSource.url equals mysql:/localhost/sic/mydb. This is wrong. Correct. Spring DataSource.url equals JDBC MySQL:/localhost 3306 MyDB, keeping old JPA dependency in a non-database project. This causes unnecessary data source auto-configuration. Putting data source config in the wrong file. For example, config is in application local.properties, but profile is not active. Typo in property key. Example. Spring DataSource URL equals JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 MyDB. This will not work. Example concept. Small config mistake means whole app fails to start. Advantages of understanding this error. Understanding this error helps you fix startup failures quickly, configure databases correctly, understand Spring Boot auto-configuration, separate DB and non-DB projects properly. Example concept. Understand data source config means faster debugging, quick fix summary. If you see this error, check these things. Do you actually need a database? If yes, did you set spring.datasource.url, spring.datasource.username, spring.datasource.password? Did you add the correct DB driver dependency? If using H2, did you add the H2 dependency? If using profiles, is the correct profile active? If no DB is needed, remove JPA JDBC dependency or exclude data source autoconfig. Concepts learned. Understanding this error helps learners understand. Kleshshi, what a data source is. Kleshshi, why Spring Boot auto-configures databases. Kleshshi, difference between external and embedded databases. Kleshshi, how to configure application.properties correctly. Cleshi, how to debug startup data source problems. This is one of the most important configuration errors to understand in Spring Boot database setup. Simple definition. URL attribute is not specified and no embedded data source could be configured. A Spring Boot startup error. That means the application expected a database connection, but no valid data source configuration or embedded database was available. Final summary. This Spring Boot error happens when the application tries to create a data source, but cannot find enough information to do so. Usually, the cause is one of these: missing Spring DataSource.url, missing database dependency, missing embedded database dependency, wrong profile or wrong property names, unnecessary JPA/JDBC dependency in a project that does not use a database. The fix depends on your goal. Configure an external database properly. Use an embedded database like H2, or disable remove data source configuration if the app does not need a database. Understanding this error is essential for learning Spring Boot, JPA, and database configuration.